always see the night.
Hey, what's up, family? Today we back in the studio with another banger, and we're gonna go ahead and go over Supreme and their most recent collaboration with Tiffany, which is honestly insane. I've been hyped for this shit, hyping it up on Instagram if you have seen that. Honestly, I didn't even think it was gonna be a BOGO. I love their jewelry in general, and I feel like Tiffany is a hard brand, but the fact that they're releasing a box logo makes it that much better. If you guys do end up enjoying this video, leave a like on it down below, subscribe to the channel if you're new and want to enjoy more this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video, and make sure you go ahead and subscribe down below, man. One step closer to 20,000 every day. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. It definitely means the world when you do that. And without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So obviously, let's start off by talking about the box logo. It's basically this all white BOGO with the Tiffany box logo dead in center. On the back of it, it does say Tiffany as well. Honestly, this shit is hard. I don't even like white tees. I feel like if they would have made it a white and a black, that would have been hard, but it's looking like it's gonna be just that one color, the white. You got it, you get it, you feel me? I'm gonna try to go ahead and go for it because I know resell is gonna be there, but honestly, that's not my main reason. I feel like I'd probably end up keeping this box logo, to be honest. The fact that it's a collab with Tiff, you feel me? I gotta keep it in the arsenal, but hopefully it is easy to cop. I am gonna use Apple Pay for this release. That has been working for me all season, so I'm gonna go ahead and use that. So being that this Supreme release is a crazy drop and it's gonna have a lot of resell, I want to tell you guys about one of the best iOS bots on the market and how you can secure a copy. They're actually gonna be restocking this Wednesday night to help cook up these Tiffany Supreme box logos. Not only do they cover Supreme, but they also support over 85 other stores from Yeezy, Bape, Undefeated, Palace, Kith, Fear of God, and even tier 0 retailers like Ama Maniere, helping you cook up on your latest Jordan releases and Supreme. A lot of people that copped Addict have had success. I'm putting success up here for y'all, and they just announced 3.0, which is gonna have a bunch of features like monitors, NFTs, raffles, custom push notifications, restock mode, unlimited tasks, and an exclusive Discord cook group free of charge. Sign up at addict.io if you guys are interested in their restock or when they release 3.0. All you have to do is follow the instructions in the description. Copies are going to be extremely limited, so make sure you go ahead and sign up for their newsletter. But without any further ado, man, let's talk about the rest of these pieces and then get straight about the building. So now we're going to go ahead and go over some of the jewelry pieces from Tiffany. Then we'll talk about some off-white twos, which are going to be releasing on Friday as well, bro. A lot of shit releasing, and I just want to go ahead and talk about it. There's a second box logo releasing this Thursday, but it's gonna be in Berlin. I'll talk about that later as well. We got the Return to Tiffany heart tag necklace. This basically has like this bead almost chain to it. It's too simple. I know Tiffany does that. I don't know. It just says please return to Supreme on it. That's actually kind of cool. It's like one of those IDs that you put on the dog or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Like return to owner type shit. This is actually kind of cool now that I really look at it, but I do like this star bracelet way more. This bracelet is so hard. It basically says Supreme on some of the stars, and I think that shit is so sick. I honestly would buy this depending on the retail. You feel me? It's something that I might consider going for. Definitely solid on that one. More than anything though, I love this pearl necklace. Oval tag pearl necklace is so hard, bro. I just love anything with pearls in it, and it does have Supreme subtly on there, so I do think that's fire as well. This is probably going to retail for some beans. Hopefully it's not too steep, which I know it's Tiffany, so it probably will be, but that pearl necklace go hard. We got the Tiffany heart key knife. This is clean as well, bro. Another accessory. I feel like this is actually solid. It would add to my knife collection, but before I buy something like that, I would want to buy like a bracelet or a necklace or something that I can actually wear. You feel me? I don't know. I feel like this is solid though for what it is. I don't think it would be too big either. This would be clean to put on your keys, to be honest. That would be hard, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, this is cool. You feel me? Retail's probably gonna be steep, but this shit is cool. Then we got the earring set. These pieces I feel like down the line will be worth a lot more, especially because it's Tiffany and it's Supreme, so it won't ever release again. So I think that these pieces are a good hold. I don't know, maybe that's just my opinion. We do have the last piece being the oval ring keychain from the collaboration. This is actually hard. I feel like you could put this on your pants, on your book bag. This is actually a fire piece. Now that I look at it, It's Tiffany, you know it, not everybody does, which is cool by itself. I feel like this is so fire. That's probably one of my favorite pieces. It's weird as fuck, but it is. I do like the pearl necklace and the star bracelet. If I could, in an ideal world, buy both, I would probably buy both. I'm not gonna lie. The Tiffany box logo is what we gotta talk about from the collab. This shit is hard. I love that Tiffany color. Tiffany dunks, I remember seeing them shits when I was young, bro, like, and I love those. So hey, this box logo right here go hard. Let me know what you guys thought about the Tiffany collaboration. We had the box logo, all the jewelry and accessories as well. Let me know what was your favorite piece. Obviously the box logo, but besides the BOGO. And I do want to talk about the fact that in Berlin there is going to be this box logo right here releasing on Thursday for the store opening. So hey, you feel me, we're not going to be copying this one unless we're from Berlin, but it does look solid. I love that almost olive type color on the box logo. Looks clean. At least they're doing a box logo with Tiffany when they're dropping this one, so it's not like as bad. Yeah, at least we get that one and not this one. We get something. But yeah, we have that shit releasing. And then we also did have the Flax Air Force Ones, which apparently released last Friday. I don't know when or what the fuck. I missed it. I don't even know if anybody copped. I don't know if they actually dropped. I don't know what the fuck happened, but I ain't know. You feel me? I would have went for these actually. I do like the flax on it. Lately, I've been fucking with the Forces Heavy, and I feel like that shit would be hard, but bro, what the fuck? I didn't even know. Like, these shits are actually clean. You feel me? The New York Special Supreme Force Ones is a vibe. Like, the last shit I'm gonna talk about in this video is the fact that the Jordan 2 Off-Whites loaded up. Yeah, they loaded up on the sneakers app, bro. The sneakers app is looking flooded right now with heat. We got the Off-White 2s in this bitch. We got the Travis Scott, which is a controversial name to talk about right now. Air Max 1s in this bitch. And yo, let me know what y'all think with the Travis Scott shit. Shit is going crazy right now. Honestly, rest in peace to everybody who lost their lives. Honestly, shit is fucking tragic. I'm Switzerland, you feel me? I'm not gonna say too much. I do feel like there's stuff that he could have done better, but I wouldn't completely blame it on him. He's on stage performing. You probably can't catch everything. There is a video of him trying to help people and then be like, yeah. When the dude was actually getting carried out, they only showed us the dude getting carried out and Travis saying, yeah. I was looking at a lot of videos on it and people at the concert were saying that there was basically mosh pits going this way and people coming this way trying to leave at the same time. So there was like a stampede type shit that didn't even have to do with the concert. It was more so like just too many fucking people at a venue. But I don't even know why I just drifted on into that shit. We're gonna go ahead and just talk about the Off-White 2s releasing. Them shits, you feel me, they fire, bro. I do like the white and red pair more than the black and blue. I feel like that's just a more traditional like color that resembles it, you feel me? I've seen those before type shit. They actually took that whole bottom sole, if you guys don't know, of an OG pair of Jordan 2s that crumbled and they turned it into an actual crumbled wearable sneaker. I do think the concept is cool. I never thought Jordan 2s was the best shit, but I will try to give these a try. I always liked the Carmelo 2s, the blue joints. Them shits was hard. And there was a couple colorways from the candy pack that I liked. Besides that, honestly, I was never the craziest 2 fan. Don't even have no 2s now. I probably had some 2.5s back in the day. But yo, we gonna go ahead and get about this video. Let me know what y'all thought about this one. Shit was all over the place. My bizzle, I really hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. I don't know what I'm posting next. I might go ahead and do like a full sneakers releases type shit dropping on Wednesday. Then on Tuesday, which is tomorrow, probably the full drop list. I'm gonna try to start pumping content back out. Low-key, I feel like I took a little step back, even though I have been posting kinda, but we about to be back on y'all head tops heavy, bro. Let me know if y'all enjoyed this one. I'ma catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and now out.
Never see the sun, always see the night.
They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.